In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to do a pike to knee tuck, as well as kind of a progression onto that exercise, doing a pike with sliders. So to start off, I'll show you the pike to knee tuck. So you'll get into a straight arm plank, get your back nice and straight, we're not rounding or slouching, good neutral spine, and then you're just going to shoot your butt up to the ceiling into a down dog position, and when you come back down to the plank, you're bringing a knee forward. Thinking about using your core throughout this, making sure your shoulders are nice and strong, you're not slouching down like this. Now a progression onto this would be to use a slider. I use this hamstring slider from Bells of Steel because it's appropriate for my flooring. But if you've got hardwood or carpet, you can get a pair of sliding discs that have removable felt covers, so you can either use the slider or the slider without the cover on it on carpet or with the cover on it on hardwood floors. So to get set up for this, you're going to put your toes onto the slider, get into your straight arm plank position, brace your core, and then just shoot your butt up to the ceiling like this. Thinking about using your core and your glutes throughout this exercise, doing it under control, so we're not flying through this wicked fast, we're doing it very controlled. Hi Salem. And there you go. That's a couple different variations of this exercise that you can try. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for watching.